Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for February. And my full face includes makeup products in this box. So this month's theme is Afterglow. Can you tell? I'm glowing. Okay, now let's go ahead and get started. So the first product I started off with today is the No Problem Primer. And this retails for $18. The next thing in the box is a Pretty Vulgar Bronze Bee Bronzer. Retails for $32. And the name of this one is Bronze Bee 120 Sunkissed Smooth. Sunkissed Snitch, I'm sorry. Sunkissed Snitch. This is what it looks like. And again, it's Pretty Vulgar. Pretty Vulgar. The next thing in the box that is my favorite thing out of the whole box is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara that I'm wearing right now. And this retails for $24. Keep in mind, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription, $21 a month, 5 full-size products for only $21. Box always costs more than $100. The retail value is always more than $100. So yeah, I actually have my own mascara, this one, and now I have a second one, so let's back up. Yes. The next thing in the box is the Sol de Janeiro Cocoa Cabana Cream, and this retails for $20. It smells amazing. If you know the Orange Original, this one smells better than that. The last but not least thing in the box is this Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil, and this retails for $24. I'm also wearing that on my eyelids today. So if you guys are interested in seeing the try on and how I got my face to look like this, keep on watching. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. But quick little fun fact. Have you guys tried these? Oh my gosh, they are amazing. They are so yummy. They're the Oreo Thin Bites, the fudge dip original. Get fudge dip, the chocolate kind. I haven't tried the vanilla, but I don't think I would like it. But these are really good. I got these at Walmart, and I just love them. They're so tiny. It's really good. Just try it. Okay? Thanks. You'll thank me later. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, guys. So if you're wondering my skincare routine, what I do for my skincare, side note, sorry about the glare. Tried fixing it. I do apologize about that glare. So what I do, I first use the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Foaming Cleanser. This is what I use first. And then I go in with my toner, Dyer's toner. It smells like roses. It smells so good. And then I use my Neutrogena Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Gel. And last but not least, I use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. So that's my current skincare routine. Let me know yours. Comment down below what's your skincare. Okay, so the first thing in the box is the No Problem Primer, smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. This is what it looks like. This is Touch and Soul No Problem Primer, and it retails for $18. So with my mirror here, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. See what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Okay, it has a pink look to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that on. It smells really good. It's a little greasy, but my skin is dry, so that's okay. Okay. So I'm gonna apply my primer. I'm gonna apply foundation, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So my face makeup is just about done. The next thing in our box is the Pretty Vulgar Bronze Bee Bronzer, and it retails for $32. The shade is 120 Sunkissed Snitch. This is what it looks like. Okay. I do have contour on, so let's go ahead and apply this. I was like, where's my bronzer? Bronzing brush, I mean. Whoa. That is pigmented. Jeez, do you guys see that? Let's see if I can fix this. Trust me, you guys, you saw it yourself. This is pigment. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyes now. Let's put this back. The next two things in the box are, let's see, the Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and this retails for $24. This is what it looks like. Wow, very creamy. Do you guys see that? And the shade is Copper Foil. So a cool trick I want to use or show you guys is I'm actually going to take that bronzer and put it all over my crease. And then, let's see. I go ahead and take it all over my crease. Let's see. I'm going to zoom you guys in just 1 second. Now that you guys are zoomed in, I'm going to take that bronzer that we just used and apply it all over my crease. I'm going to use this as a crease shade. And then just blend out the edges. Okay. Now taking this copper shade that we have on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna apply it to my lid. And blend it out with my finger. You can use a brush, it's up to you, it's optional, whatever you want to use. Put a little bit more. And I'm gonna finish this eye, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, the second to last thing in the box is this here. It's a Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, my holy grail mascara, and this retails for $24. Remember, the box is only $21. Luckily, I already have my own mascara, so that's my backup, but this is what it looks like. Let's see, the applicator. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it now and show you guys how awesome it is. Ta-da! That's only one coat of mascara. I love it. I hope you guys will too. I think you will. So I'm gonna do this eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here is my full face. I only need highlight and setting spray. And if you already know, you must already know, I love my Amrezy highlight. And let me show you why. Highlighter makes me happy. In the inner corner. And you guys have to see this. Let me show you guys this. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Holy grail. I've recently discovered it thanks to Taylor. I'll link her down below. But oh my gosh, I love this. You guys see how glowy I am now? Just wait. Right, but you know, you get the idea, right? Like, look at this. It's so glowy. So yeah, this was, thanks Boxycharm. Oh, I almost forgot. How could I forget? The last product in the box is this, and it's really big compared to last time. This is a Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, and this retails for $20. The scent is coconut, toasted praline, and more vanilla latte mixed together. Good. Alfonso even loved it, and Alfonso's really picky. He loved this smell, so I'm so happy that we got this one. I have the yellow original, but I think this one smells better. So yeah, again, this was my month's Boxycharm. So thank you guys all for watching. Please give this video a big like, thumbs up, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!